Hello guys, so August 16th, what happened in this day in history? So this today I didn't find any international days like today's World Lion Day or World Tortoise Day. Nothing is, as such I couldn't find, but there are again 2-3 interesting things related to history again. So I'll tell you those things. And before that, this map I'm expecting question in UPSC prelims where the bordering countries of Mediterranean Sea will be asked. Okay, here today why I'm discussing, because this is a small island which you see, Cyprus is a small island below Turkey. So here this country is having the Republic Day today, okay, August 16th. And again, as in that context, I want to tell you, please study all these countries which you see here. In Africa there are some countries, in Europe some countries, in Asia some countries. All these things are surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, and this has not been asked in UPSC. So this is like high chances there, because this area keeps coming in the news, and so you have to by heart this. Okay, I'm not telling you now, just see the gray colored area, these countries, make a list, this you have to by heart. Okay, and about Cyprus again we'll discuss now. So today what all happened? August 16th 1777, a battle called Bennington Battle happened. So it is called Bennington Battle Day. This is related to the US Revolutionary War which happened that time in 1777, where the American forces overpowered the British forces. Okay, so that is a holiday declared there, and that is why it is important day for them. Okay, August 16th 1777 is Bennington Battle Day. Then, as I told, the island of Cyprus became an independent republic, meaning its Republic Day is actually on August 16th. Okay, its Independence Day will be a different day. I think it's in October, but the Republic Day is today, August 16th, and from 1960 onwards, it's a republic. So this is the small island thing which I showed you also below Turkey in the Mediterranean Sea. One more island in the Mediterranean Sea is the Malta Island. Okay, Malta and Cyprus, and then many surrounding countries are there which you should by heart. Then, two people died on this day, two popular persons. One is Uganda military officer Idi Amin, you would have heard, because of his brutal approach towards overpowering this thing, meaning a military coup he initiated, and then he himself assumed to become the president 1971 to 79, and he's called the Butcher of Uganda for his brutal methods. So he died on this day, August 16th 2003. Okay, similarly, another in pop culture, this is photograph, another in pop culture, you know, Elvis Presley, singer, is there. He died on August 16, 1977, and due to like drug usage was there and heart attack, and so he is known as the king of rock and roll, and this is his picture. Okay, so these are the only important things I felt on August 16th which happened. Still anything which I missed, if you feel, you can tell me in comment sections also. And most people who have enrolled to the current affair batches, like up to 5 years we have current affair PDFs, like hundreds of pages of MCQs and explanations and notes are there. So that we have, it's not hundreds, actually thousands of pages are there. So that packages, if you have enrolled, your payments we would have received, and we will be sending you welcome email by today midnight. Okay, so wait for that email. There I'll tell you the schedule of like when you will get each month a test PDF and all, so that you will get it. And meanwhile, the 2024 batch 2, which is starting next week, August 21, for that also 4-month installment plan is there. We have already put out that offer will be ending on August 15th, but because some students requested for one more week, we have kept it, because anyway August 21 only the batch is starting. So one more week you can do the enrollments. WhatsApp me in this number and we'll take it forward. So wait for the next video. Our editorial for today will come. Thank you and have a nice day.